Spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me.
Anong masasabi niya sa sugbalik ko?
Ready. That's it. Ready.
Kayo dyan sa likod.
So nice.
Sabi ko na may magna-nice dito.
Nice.
Sorry.
Good.
Yan lang din kasi sinasabi ko sa vlog ko. It's so nice. Very nice. Wow, so nice. Yan lang po yung alam kong word. Wow!
Tapos say mo na. Ayun tayo. Anila ka. Ay ang lubot. Tapos try. Ano mo ang kuan mo. Tapos hindi mo lang magtapos. Ay mo na siya sila. Kayo. Try. Mababaw lang. Sabay. Sige, try mo ma'am. flat lang. Tayo. Picture mo. Pagdagan gambay. Bala taglawar ka pa. Pagdagan na hilit pa dito bay. Ayo, hilit bay.
What? Red lang.
Lanta ng sayo ha. Ayo paglanta sa akin. Ayo. Relax lang. Tingin ka sa photographer. Let's go. Nice ka, Jacobam!
Hi guys! Book niyo na si Kuya Larry. Lalagay ko lang yung number niya sa baba. So, pupunta uli kami ng Santa Monica kasi nakain kami. Hindi ito magiging travel guide kasi puro libre yung kunain. Wala kami matutulong. Para makatipid sa Siargao, maghanap ng kapamilya. At doon kumain, makikain. Grabe na ano ko na So haggard, pero sige lang. This is the look and my accessories. Natanggalan siya ng pearls. I don't know where it was bought, but yeah. Ano ako ngayon yung blush ko. Gusto ko naman yan sa akin. Hi guys, we're back at Rice Baby. Lalagay ko ha? Yes. Yeah. No. Hi guys. So, how's your official first day in Siargao? Nice. Nag-order pa yung dalawa. We're here at Rice Baby because we tried like looking for cafes but hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. So, dito kami ulit pinasta ng aming mga gulong. Kahapon mga paa, ngayon mga gulong. Siya ka 52.
Ulang yung dalawa.
Ganyan din na.
Dapat tayo yung i-post mo.
Parang apaka-dito yung naman ang pagkahulog ko.
Dapat tayo yung i-post.
Asan? Talaga. May picture. Kaya ako. Nasa Cavite, punta mo din. Hindi nga na, parang sige na, bago ng mga pang-concert. So good. Yeah. We're still waiting for our orders. But this, I like it. Para siyang mogu-mogu. they're looking at their photos kanina. We'll enjoy our night. Hi!
Chimken, chimken.
Hello! Oh. Hi! Hello! So cute! So cute! What's your name? Is your name Whiskey? No. So cute. Namiss ko tuloy yung pet ko.
Bilhin natin sa pizza.
Aww. So,
Nabilat mo.
Kyla. Tala. Again. Tala. Bye, Kyla. So, kayo na mag-isip kung ano. Sila ba ang owner? Well, so, founder. Tala. Bye, Kyla. Diba?
Alabay, Kyla, Heron.
And then, you know this too.
Daryl.
McCarthy.
Yeah, ginagalaw.
Ito. Hindi nyo na kailangan malaman.
Special talent.
So, yun. I said na we're strolling. But, turns out we just want to drink shake and actually, I did not order coffee. I ordered lemon with cucumber and cheese. Lemon juice. With lemon and cucumber. Lemon juice with cucumber and cheese. Yeah. Then we ate wasuki. We're gonna go back to our inn because I'm so sleepy. Di na talaga kaya. So yeah, mag-outro na ba ako? Doon na sa room. Hi guys! So we're now back in our accommodation. I am in my bed. We are now ready to go to sleep. I am so sleepy and I'm just gonna do an outro because my first video doesn't have one. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have video recommendations for me, just comment it down below. And if you kind of like my videos, please consider subscribing. Again, this is me, A, and see you guys on my next video. Bye!